rear wiper blade replacement on a 22 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. Fairly simple. Pull the arm out. It'll stop at some point here. Just keep pushing. And off it goes. Now with these blades here, it only goes in one way. So I got me a wiper blade from the auto parts store. These two little notches, they want to go inside of here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So pretty much just slide it in. Don't know how well you guys will be able to see it, but basically this little notch is going to slide inside of here. And it'll just kind of slide in place. You should feel some where it stops at some point here, and you're on. You can give it a little pull on it, and there you go. Just that simple. Now you can change out the actual blade on this. If you go for the factory blade, all you got to do is pull this downwards and straight out. So basically just like that, you'd pull that all the way out, get your new wiper insert, put your metal frame back in the groove and slide it in until it locks all the way through. So basically just pull it through, get into the groove until it bottoms out up against that, and you're good to go. So hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.